Hi guys, today we're looking at Ricochet from Holy Fire Games. You can play this on a desktop computer on the Gazpo.io website. Ricochet is a game where you start out with a number of blocks with numbers on them in the game area. Your objective? Destroy the blocks with the balls. The dotted line in the bottom center of the screen is what you aim with. You can drag this line to the left or right by placing the mouse pointer over it and holding down the left mouse button. When you release the mouse button, your balls will be fired in the direction of the dotted line. To begin with, you only have one ball. You can collect more balls as the game progresses. The white pulsating discs are explosives. When you hit these with the balls, they will blast away the blocks surrounding them. The black circles with the white plus sign on them will reward you with an extra ball if you hit them. It always pays to get these as soon as possible to help your cause. The numbers on the blocks signify how many times they have to be hit before they are destroyed. When all of your balls bounce below your firing line, all of the blocks will drop down one row. Your objective is that you have to stop any of the blocks dropping below the firing line, or else it's game over. Apart from keeping any blocks from falling below the firing line, one good thing you can do is to get your balls around behind the blocks. It's a good strategy to work on the edges of the block formations and to make gaps to get in behind, where the balls get high multiples of hits on the blocks. Ricochet is one of those captivating games that starts off slow but really gets exciting with the huge block formations. You'll have to learn to be good at estimating angles and knowing where the balls can do the most damage. Be prepared, as this game can last quite a long time once you get into the groove. What will your high score be? Enjoy.